This program is brought to you in association with First National Bank of Botswana. Convenience. We all want things done effectively and efficiently with as little effort as possible. This could be regarding anything pertaining to our lives. It can be work, it can be shopping, and amongst these many things can be access to banking services. With banks phasing out checks by the end of the year, there's a need for a product that will allow for especially businesses to make bulk payments to stakeholders and even employees, more so those without bank accounts. A key component to bridging this gap would be developing innovative solutions that will allow and enable improvements in both core processes and the customer's experience. Well, one local commercial bank was able to present this solution before the cessation of checks. The solution is the Ewallet Pro, which will allow businesses to make payments to a group of people in real time with just the click of a button. This means that it can be used to pay off funds to multiple recipients in one go. This includes salaries and loan disbursement. How does it work and what are some key benefits to using this feature? Here is Head of Transactional Banking, Gabo Musinyi, at the launch of this product.
The date 31 December, I think it kind of sparked innovation into everybody, especially as the bank. It made us go back and actually think about the gap that's going to be created and how we're actually going to address that gap. I think KK did speak of e-wallet, and then I think that has been one revolutionary solution that we brought to the market. But we've said, how can we then extend this product? How can we then assist our corporates in actually closing the gap that's going to be created with the phasing out of checks? And with that is our answer, being the Ewallet Pro solution. So what is e-wallet? We know e-wallet to, in our sense, allow you to send funds to a wallet or to a cell phone, but be it does not compare to what a check used to be. I mean, we all understand you could disperse up to 500,000 with a check, but now, with our current solution, it only really just limits you to about 4,000. So we said to ourselves, let's go back into our online banking platform, and I'd like to mention this. We're not giving you a solution that is outside of online banking. I think one thing we pride ourselves as a bank of innovativeness is that we have used one platform as our major driving tool. So once again, we've gone back to our online banking platform and we've said, let's allow our customers to have a card-based solution, right? That being our online banking users. So in short, it's really a card-based solution allowing our online banking users to instantly issue out cash and disperse to the recipients. So, and when we say card-based, we mean that at the comfort of your home, at the comfort of your offices, you will be able to apply for e-wallet, disperse a card, and once that beneficiary or once your recipients leave, you are able to then they're able to then access that cash instantly. And then I think just corporate entertainment, where with corporates, you've taken out your clients. Not everybody has access to a credit card, and not every employee is given a credit card. So you are then able to ensure that your employees, rather than carrying cash or rather than loading funds against their account, you're then able to ensure that you give them a card, load fees and that. So the conversation is really centering around the card, and I think that's what I want to come out today, is that we are saying that we are replacing paper with card, and that's what we're doing. And the main thing that you take away from today is that rather than issuing that check, someone is walking out with a card, someone has access to funds, and someone can draw instantly and utilize those funds. And I was just drawing a comparison here around what the benefits are. So I think one key thing is, well, yes, it's nice to have a card, but what exactly are the benefits to the cardholder? And I think one key benefit, I'm going to start from the bottom and go up, is that we do not have any monthly fees accruing against the account or against the card. So once you've issued out funds and the funds are in that card, whether you leave it in the drawer for a year or two, you come back, you'll still find that the fees, the funds are still at that level because we do not depreciate or deplete the funds by monthly fees. It also allows you for free swipes around the country, so that's also a way of actually reducing costs. While you used to have checks to go cash every time, once cash is there, wherever you swipe, those swipes are actually free for the recipient. And on the business side, as I said, it's a card valid for 3 years. So once you've loaded a beneficiary that you pay monthly, you know that once they come back, you're just doing a transaction. So you don't have to rewrite that check and sign it or have those pre-signed checks that are sitting in the drawer. So that's just the mitigant as well from a risk perspective. Another convenience part, I think we spoke to that previously, online banking being the key driver, and we'll continue building onto our online banking platform as we see that as a single interface into the banking world. And then the security part of it, I did mention contactless, their chip and PIN. So you do know that once you've issued a card to a recipient, they're able to utilize that card via chip and PIN as with every card in the market.